Today we'll talk about context clues. What are the context clues? Context clues are words that help readers to guess the meanings of new words. These context clues help you as a reader to understand difficult words instead of going to the dictionary to look up these difficult words. Let's study 3 of the context clues today. The first one is a restatement. What is a restatement? Restatement means repeating the same idea in different words. Then we'll understand what does a definition mean. A definition defines the new words, and an example names things that explain the new words. Today we'll study these 3 context clues. This will be clear when we study the following examples. Let's have examples. Example number 1. When I say a sports physician, what is a physician? It's a difficult word. You need to go back to the dictionary to find this word. But when the writer gives you a clue or a context clue, it will be easier for you to understand the meaning of the word physician. If I say a sports physician or doctor, now you don't have to go to the dictionary to look up the meaning of the word physician, because physician is a doctor, or a doctor is a physician. A sports physician or a doctor helps athletes stay healthy. Now you understand the word physician. If you want to make restatement, you can use the word or, physician or doctor. Another example. When I say teachers support, what is the meaning of the word support? It may be a little difficult for some students, but when I say support or help, so support means help. Support has the same meaning of the word help. You don't have to go back to the dictionary because support means help and help means support. I make restatement using the context clue or. Teachers support or help students to do better in school projects. Next, a nutritionist. What is a nutritionist? It's a difficult word. Again, you don't have to go back to your dictionary because a nutritionist is someone. Now you understand that a nutritionist is someone. At least it's not a place. It's someone who studies how food helps people stay healthy. So, what is a nutritionist? Someone who studies how food helps people stay healthy. Now, he is someone who is specialized on the influence of food on our body. Now, another example, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a difficult word for students, so I have to give them definition. Photosynthesis is the process that helps plants make food. So, if I ask you now, what is photosynthesis? It will be easier for you. You don't have to go back to the dictionary. So, if you want to explain a difficult word, you can use definition. A nutritionist is someone who. Photosynthesis is the process that. Another example, aerobic exercises. What are aerobic exercises? A little bit difficult for students. So, aerobic exercises such as swimming and biking are good ways to stay healthy. So, aerobic exercises such as swimming and biking. Swimming and biking are examples of aerobic exercises. Now you can understand the word aerobic exercises because swimming is aerobic exercises, biking is aerobic exercises. I gave examples to explain the meaning of the word aerobic exercises using the word such as. Another example. Restatement. If you want to make a restatement, you can use the word or, as we said before, physician or doctor. If you want to give definition, you can use the words is someone who is a process that. If you want to give examples to explain an idea, you can use the word such as or like. As we used the context clues to help us in understanding a text, we can use also context clues to improve our piece of writing. For example, improve this piece of writing using context clues. Suppose you are a university student interested in the universe. What occupation might you choose? You might want to explore planets. You might want to be an astronaut. Now, if you look at this text, you can find some difficult words, such as the word universe. This is the word universe. It's a difficult word for students. The word occupation may be a little bit difficult also. The word planets. This word may be difficult for some beginners. The word astronauts. This word is also a little bit difficult. So, how can you improve your writing style? Suppose you are a university student interested in the universe or the world. So I used restatement. So now the student can understand the word universe, because universe means the world. The world means the universe. Now what occupation or job? So it will be easier for the students to understand the word occupation, because occupation means job and job means occupation. This is restatement. Then suppose you are a university student interested in the universe or the world. What occupation or job you might choose? You might want to explore planets. Planets is a little bit difficult. You can give examples such as Mars and Venus. So now it is easier, because Mars is a planet, Venus is a planet, and most students know what is Mars and what is Venus. These are planets. You might want to explore planets such as Mars and Venus. You might want to be an astronaut. What is an astronaut? You can give a definition. Astronaut is someone who travels beyond the Earth. So now astronaut is someone who travels beyond the Earth. Now I used the 3 context clues to help my reader understand the text better. I used restatement, the universe or the world. I used restatement, occupation or job. I used definition. An astronaut is someone who travels beyond the Earth. I used also the examples such as planets, such as Mars and Venus. I wish you have understand the 3 context clues to help you in reading and writing context. Thank you. Bye.